Hi guys, a lot of people have told me that I don't make videos enough, but I figured I will do something, okay, because I've broken into my computer, well, my old email really, and I've discovered my old YouTube. And considering all of the girls, my chair is so creaky, I need to fix this, but considering all of the girls of YouTube are doing, oh my god, me last decade and me this decade, I figured I would do something similar because, let's face it, it's funny. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is called Howdy Teen Spot. Now, I'm going to read the description, and oh boy, is it a description. Smiley face, this is for you guys. So I'm going to write the description as long as it takes to upload. Oh my god, what is this? I don't even. The time keeps going up by a minute. Oh, now it's 12 minutes. Oh, pictures are forming as it uploads. How new and shiny. Amazing. It is currently at 17%. Now 18% and now 19% as the pictures keep forming. Oh my god, 21%. So do you like my hair? It's like a solar system filled with stars. Awesome and rad. Currently 26%. So what should I write about? I just had a cup of tea and it was yummy. All the pictures show my hat. Sorry, my friend Matt R messaged me. So as I was saying, oh yeah, Matt R was like one of my combat arms team members. But anyway, so as I was saying, OMFG, 37% woot. I am taking my hat off in the picture. So far it's 42% with 8 minutes remaining. My hat is gone, like wow, so my god. So how cool are my headphones? We are at the halfway mark of 50%. Or 51%, and my face is blurry in the current image. I just took my jacket off. It was annoying. 6 minutes to go, guys, and 59%. I am filled with suspense at the moment. The picture just keeps on coming and coming. How awesome would it be if YouTube spent less money on the pictures and more money on a decent layout that not everyone hates, but I have a higher chance of world domination. If I dominate the world, I will fix YouTube's layout. 4 minutes to go and 73%. So, is this entertaining or what? It's like watching grass grow and paint dry. So fun. 78%. This is strange. 81%, I really need to pee. Hurry up. YouTube, XD Sif. I love YouTube in a strange way. 2 minutes and 89%. Sweet. So close yet so far. Whee! Yay! Smile for the camera and say cheese. More pics or it didn't happen. This is so random with only 3% to go. Less than a minute remaining. 2% to go. 1%. 100%. That's my description of this video. So I guess I'm gonna watch it. And it's called Howdy Teen Spot.
Hey Teen Spot, it's Cassie Jules here. Anyway, I thought I'd say howdy, and yeah, I'm gonna take this off because it's annoying me. So I thought I'd say howdy and see how you guys are going. I haven't made you guys a video in a long time. It's been like 2 years or something. So I figured I would do them now since I've got time and I really should be sleeping, but yeah, I'm not. So yeah, just let me know how you're going. Yeah, love you. And yeah, see ya.
That is pretty, that's cringy. My dogs like to bark today. It's pretty cringy. That video was probably the most pointless video I've ever seen in my entire life. And I made it, so. Anywho, let's go see what the next video is. Okay, so how the teen spot happened, that was something that we cannot take back. However, let's go have a look at the 10th of March 2010, and this video is titled Eyelashes. The description says, hee hee, I can't put them on right? Oh well. Like, it says oh well, not oh well, but oh well. So I'm just gonna have a look at this video, so here we go. Okay, I'm just blinking. Well, that was pretty pointless. Eyelashes was a bust, but you know, if we look at September 6th. So this one is called Colin capital P, aka poking out tongue face. So this one is 3 seconds long. The description, the description is, "Tis me, yo." What was that? It's like, Okay, well that was not expected. This one was amazing. It's called The Bunny, and this is one of my favorite videos of myself, okay? But it has copyright material, so I mean, I am reacting to it, but who knows? Who knows?
I was about to start singing that.
So it's me dancing.
Wait, no, where? I'll just sing it. Come on. Sing what? You know what Mello's song is? What? Just listen to it. It's about chocolate bunnies. I don't love my mom. Oh, my dad's just a bunny. We should film me in a Mello costume singing this. It's the best. Song change. That's the best video ever. Me in my Mello costume singing.
Loved this video so much because I found it so funny. Because, like, okay, context, just because this has no context in it, the description, okay, the description says, so this is another crazy Ariana Jones moment. This is members of BTLG and EPC and an extra. We were dressed as zombies preparing for our march for zombies' rights. Lol, everyone dancing was wearing an item of my clothing. Disclaimer, I do not own any of the songs involved, just the people, JK. So that's true actually, they're all wearing my clothing. But we were going to Zombie Shuffle, which is a protest that happens every year in Melbourne, where you just protest for zombies' rights. It's a lot of fun and it's really cool. So people dress up as zombies and yeah, hoard in a civil manner. So this was actually, I believe, around 2 AM in the morning, and they just put the camera on me, and in my head I was like, what do I do? No, like, this is a clip from it. They told me that they wanted me to like do something, and then like I just stood there for ages, and then like the bunny came on and people started doing stuff, and I was just like, you know, when you're half asleep and you're just being weird, and it was like, yeah. So that's what that was. It's called You're My Bitch. So the description is, hey, just a vid my friend and me and my friend did. This was from when I was a part of BTLG. Like Yagami, links are the video, filmed by my sister's name. So this video is hilarious.
Haven't you finished yet? It takes longer than 5 seconds to sew dress me. Well, it should take you no longer than 5 seconds to sew me, your queen, a dress. Just because we're Shinigami now doesn't mean we can sew at the speed of light. After all the crap you put me through, I think that you are my bitch. You're what?
You can see that I'm trying to be like...
I'm okay.
You can see I'm trying to be like serious and not laughing. And like, I'm just like... This is like some random shit that we just came up with. And there's one more video I want to show you guys, okay? So it was also my cosplay days. Where is it? I think it's on the next page. It would be, because there is a video that I will respond to, but I think I need a whole video for that. Okay, so this one is 18 seconds long. It's called Nia Wears a Hat. Yeah, we were making a skit and I did this. So like, for context, when people are filming with me, I can be really, really weird. So, let's watch. Her sounds? No. Honey. I remember when I saw that hat, I was just like, this is gonna be so funny. And I thought it was hilarious. Anyway, I guess that's enough torture for you guys. That's like a bunch of videos from the last era of humanity, I guess. And I have been, you know, existing. So there's some proof. Hopefully you enjoy. And yeah. Bye!